The only way to understand the truth of a thing is to experience it. Neville Goddard. To understand the profound significance of Jesus Christ as our foundation, we must first explore the nature of what a true foundation represents in our lives. A foundation is not merely a starting point, it's the bedrock upon which everything else is built. It provides stability, strength, and support, ensuring that the structure above it remains secure and reliable. In this sense, when we refer to Jesus Christ as our foundation, we're talking about a source of profound inner strength and stability that underpins our entire existence. Jesus Christ, in this context, symbolizes more than a historical or religious figure. He embodies the essence of divine principles and the highest ideals of human potential. His teachings and examples serve as a model for living a life grounded in love, compassion, and spiritual awareness. By aligning ourselves with these principles, we create a solid foundation that supports us through the challenges and complexities of life. When we reflect on the teachings attributed to Jesus Christ, we see a consistent emphasis on the power of belief and the life-changing impact of faith. The teachings encourage us to align our thoughts and actions with our highest values and aspirations. This alignment is not just about adhering to a set of rules or doctrines, but about embodying a deeper truth that resonates with the core of our being. By doing so, we tap into a source of inner strength that enables us to navigate life's difficulties with grace and resilience. Consider the idea that our beliefs shape our reality. Jesus Christ's teachings often highlight the power of faith and belief in shaping our experiences. When we firmly believe in our own potential and align our actions with this belief, we create a foundation that supports our growth and success. This principle is not confined to religious contexts but applies universally to all aspects of our lives. Our thoughts and beliefs influence our actions, and our actions in turn shape our reality. By anchoring ourselves in a deep and unwavering belief in our own potential, we establish a foundation that empowers us to achieve our goals and overcome obstacles. The concept of Jesus Christ as our foundation also invites us to explore the idea of spiritual renewal. His teachings emphasize the importance of inner variation and the renewal of our minds and hearts. This process of renewal is about letting go of limiting beliefs and thinking about a higher perspective. It involves a continuous journey of self-discovery and growth where we shed old patterns and think of new possibilities. By adopting this mindset, we create a foundation that is flexible and adaptive, allowing us to respond effectively to the changing circumstances of life. One of the central teachings revolves around the notion of self-denial and self-realization. These concepts might initially seem contradictory, but they point to a deeper truth about the nature of personal growth. Self-denial in this context does not mean depriving oneself of basic needs or desires, but rather letting go of self-limiting beliefs and ego-driven motives. It involves releasing attachments to outdated patterns of thought that hinder our progress and thinking about a more expansive understanding of ourselves. This process allows us to tap into a more profound sense of purpose and identity, which is crucial for laying a strong foundation in our lives. The concept of forgiveness plays a significant role in this foundation. Forgiveness is often misunderstood as a mere act of absolving someone of wrongdoing. However, at its core, forgiveness is about liberating oneself from the chains of resentment and anger that can hold us back. It is a practice of letting go of past grievances and choosing to move forward with a clean slate. By adopting this mindset, we release ourselves from the burdens of negativity and open ourselves up to greater possibilities and personal freedom. This freedom is essential for building a foundation that supports growth, peace, and fulfillment. Another aspect of this foundation is the idea of living in alignment with our highest values. Jesus Christ's teachings encourage us to live authentically and to let our actions reflect our deepest principles. This alignment requires a conscious effort to evaluate our choices and behaviors, ensuring that they resonate with our core beliefs. By consistently making decisions that align with our values, we reinforce the strength of our foundation and create a life that feels both meaningful and fulfilling. This alignment helps us navigate challenges with integrity and ensures that we remain grounded in our purpose. The practice of mindfulness and presence is also integral to this foundational approach. Being present in the moment allows us to fully engage with our experiences and to respond to life's challenges with clarity and intention. Mindfulness helps us to observe our thoughts and emotions without being overwhelmed by them, providing a space for conscious decision-making. This practice enhances our ability to maintain a steady foundation amidst the fluctuations of life and to remain centered even in the face of adversity. Recognizing the interconnectedness of all aspects of life is crucial. The teachings encourage us to understand that our personal growth is not isolated, but intertwined with our relationships and interactions with others. By fostering compassion and empathy in our relationships, we contribute to a supportive environment that nurtures our own growth and well-being. This interconnectedness reflects the principle of unity and reinforces the strength of our foundation by ensuring that it is built on mutual respect and understanding. In practical terms, this means incorporating these principles into our daily routines and interactions. It involves setting aside time for reflection and self-assessment, practicing forgiveness and mindfulness, and ensuring that our actions align with our values. By doing so, we maintain a strong and resilient foundation that supports our personal development and overall well-being. This approach not only enhances our own lives, but also positively impacts those around us, creating a ripple effect of growth and positive change. Moreover, the teachings associated with Jesus Christ often highlight the importance of love and compassion as fundamental principles that guide our interactions with others. By grounding ourselves in these values, we build relationships and connections that are meaningful and supportive. This foundation of love and compassion extends beyond personal relationships and influences our broader interactions with the world. When we approach life with an open heart and a willingness to contribute positively to the lives of others, we reinforce the strength of our own foundation and create a ripple effect that benefits those around us. In practical terms, applying these principles means incorporating them into our daily lives. It involves setting intentions that reflect our deepest values, taking actions that align with these intentions, and continually assessing and refining our approach based on our experiences. By doing so, we maintain a strong and resilient foundation that supports our growth and well-being. This foundation is not static but dynamic, evolving as we continue to learn and grow. Understanding Jesus Christ as our foundation invites us to explore these principles more deeply and apply them in a way that resonates with our own experiences. It challenges us to examine our beliefs, actions, and interactions and to align them with a higher purpose. By doing so, we build a solid and enduring foundation that supports us through the complexities of life and enables us to live in accordance with our highest ideals. By fully engaging with these teachings and applying them in our lives, we build a foundation that is robust and enduring. This foundation enables us to navigate the complexities of life with confidence and grace, ensuring that we remain anchored in our highest ideals and purpose. As we conclude this discussion on how Jesus Christ serves as a fundamental basis for personal variation, it's clear that integrating his teachings into our lives can profoundly influence our development and our interaction with the world. The principles of self-denial, forgiveness, alignment with our values, and mindfulness are not just abstract concepts, but practical tools for building a life of purpose and fulfillment. These ideas offer a framework for creating a strong foundation upon which we can construct our aspirations and navigate life's challenges with clarity. Understanding and applying these teachings requires a conscious effort. It involves evaluating our actions, thoughts, and relationships to ensure they are aligned with our core beliefs. By doing so, we build a robust foundation that supports both personal growth and positive interactions with others. This approach not only enhances our own lives, but also contributes to a more harmonious and supportive environment around us. If you found this exploration valuable, there are several ways you can support and stay connected with our content. Please take a moment to like this video if it resonated with you. Your feedback helps us continue to create content that is both meaningful and impactful. Subscribing to the channel ensures you never miss an update on similar topics that can further enrich your understanding and personal development. Additionally, consider sharing this video with friends or family who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us reach a broader audience and makes it possible for us to continue delivering valuable content. For more updates and discussions, follow us on our social media platforms where we share additional insights and engage with our audience regularly. Lastly, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Your suggestions are greatly appreciated and play a crucial role in shaping our content. Thank you for joining us in exploring these powerful teachings. Your engagement is instrumental in helping us create a space where such important discussions can thrive and make a difference in many lives. We look forward to your continued support and to sharing more valuable content with you.